The analytics team in University Communications has recognized that it can be helpful to understand when a post is performing better or worse compared to the average performance of posts on that account. To help users understand this performance level, they've created a baseline performance report dashboard. To access, go to Reporting, and then find the folder called Templated Reports Clone to Use. Within this, you want the Social Baselines template report. Click to open. Now, clone this dashboard. Do not make any changes to the dashboard. First, clone and rename. We recommend adding your unit. Don't check the share configuration and click clone. Now you can make changes to this report. There's a filter instructions box here to make sure the filters are set accurately. If any of the filters get changed by another user, it will cause issues with the data, so always confirm that things are accurate. Along each tab, there should be a social network filter with the corresponding network selected, and the Select Duration tab should not have any dates. At the top, you should choose a very long time period. Our team recommends at least a year. Click Apply. And finally, add an account group filter. If you don't see account group here, click Add Filter to add it. Now filter to your Tier 2 or lower account group. This is because you need to make sure that you're only showing one Instagram, one Facebook, one LinkedIn, one Twitter account. If you have multiple of those platforms, you'll need to filter it by account. Apply filters. And now you'll see that the dashboard updates with baseline and data relevant to that channel and account group. To read this dashboard, first look at your baselines report. This shows the total number of posts on this channel over the last 365 days, the average engagements, and the average reach. These average numbers can be compared to the numbers for each post. Scrolling down, you'll see a section for most recent posts, as well as top engaging posts. Each post will have a brand engagement number and a post reach number below it. These numbers can be compared to these averages to let you know whether a post truly did perform above or below baseline for that account. The same is true for each channel tab. The numbers change based on the platform and the account. This is a helpful way of knowing when a post should be boosted, could be used for advertising, or when you just have content that is highly resonating with your audience and might guide your future strategy. We hope you find this helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to University Communications Analytics team.